Health insurance is at the center of one of the most enduring and prominent social controversies in recent history. With costs rising year after year at an unprecedented rate, and the roster of uninsured continuing to grow as well, the health insurance quandary is at the forefront of the social and political dialogue. For those who are attempting to understand the nature of this controversy, it is hard to know where to even begin to look. The health insurance debate spans so many aspects of society, from providers to customers, from hospitals to malpractice attorneys, and from the function of private markets to the role of government in healthcare. However, if one seeks to educate themselves on the many facets of the issue, then understanding health insurance companies is a logical starting point. It has been over 300 years since the concept of health insurance had its genesis. The original health insurance business model was one where the focus was solely on disability. Only injuries that could leave the patient disabled were covered, everything else was paid for by the patient. Amazingly, that basic arrangement remained in effect for the next 200 years. It wasn't until the 20th century that the disability model of insurance was replaced with the more familiar, contemporary health insurance, hence, the modern health insurance companies were born. The essential philosophy on which health insurance companies operate is that they enter into a contractual relationship with their customers. The customers pay insurance premiums, and in return the health insurance companies cover the costs of predetermined medical conditions such as most routine, preventive, and emergency medical conditions. In many cases, some or all of the cost of prescription drugs is covered as well. The obvious reason for people to purchase insurance is that despite the high costs of insurance, the high cost of medical care can be much greater if they are unfortunate enough to become sick or injured. And that scenario does hold true in reality, and health insurance companies frequently pay more in coverage than they collect in premiums for some individuals. Click the link in the description to get the best product in the market, proven to work.